Hey guys, Sonance here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Dirty Palm and Jay Eskar. So the final result will sound like this. So now let's have a preset. So first we're gonna make leads and then a bass. Altogether that's how it is. So a huge shout out to my boy Tadi who's done the lead preset. I will link his channel down below. So now let's dive into the preset. I'm gonna start with selecting a preset, and we're gonna turn off the reverb on the effects chain. So first we got this custom wavetable. It's a square to saw wavetable, as you can see. So let's put the wavetable position around here with quite some unisons, a little bit of detune, and a PWM modulation. As you can hear, this will kill this effect. So we're only going to use a little bit. Then we're going to shape LFO1 something like this. So the trigger and run to the PWM and the level. It's a bit too much, so let's shape it a bit more. And then for us to be, we're gonna use square wave with 8 unisons as well, and a little bit of detune. Then we're gonna go to Focus, select my legato, and the portamento bit up. This will give a glide effect to the lead. Then shape the filter. We're gonna use a low 12 only for oscillator A with a LFO1 to cut off. And now let's dive into the effects where the real magic happens. So first we're gonna add a filter, we're gonna add a band 12 to give it a bandpass effect to the sound. The cutoff around here, add quite some drive. Then we're gonna distort the sound with a soft clip with quite some drive as well, just to make leads a bit thicker. And then we're gonna dive into OTT. We're gonna put the gain up quite a lot till it kind of distorts. This will add some more harmonics to the sound. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is add the EQ with a bell filter. With a dip on here. And we're gonna add a dip in the highs. Somewhere around here. Just something like this. And then we're gonna dive into effects. So we have the EQ with cutting off the lows and boosting the highs a little bit. And then we have the reverb, which is automated. And then we have the kickstart to finish it off, just a little sidechain. And that's it for leads, and now let's dive into bass lines. So the main bass sounds like this. So selecting a preset. Go for the scroll wheel wavetable, it's in the spectral. With envelope 1 to the wavetable position. Shapes something like this. Lower down 1 octave. And then add an S to the wavetable. With a band plus minus. And envelope 1 to the wavetable as well. Then we're gonna add a filter to shape the sound a bit more. Some drive fatness, mono legato always, and portamento to give it a slide effect. And then dive into effects with a hyperdimension with envelope 1 to the mix of the dimension. We're gonna add some hard clip and open up the sound a bit more. And envelope 1 to drive. Sounding like this, then some chorus. And some OCT. Then the last thing we're gonna do is add some more band modulation to oscillator A. And we're gonna shape the filter of the distortion a little bit. So we're gonna add some notch to the sound. You can hear this will really open up the sound a bit more. And then the last thing we're gonna do is boost the highs and bass a bit more. Just something like this. And then we have the other bass layers. Something like this is just the FM bass. Really simple. With a short decay. And then the other layer is just more foul bass with a saw wave modulated with a foul wavetable. And just some basic processing. So altogether, it sounds like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like. To see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.